In this video, I'm going to answer 26, 27, and 28. So they're talking about the 2010 ADA standards for accessible design that require elevator cars when you enter the doors. And they tell us that the minimum door clearance is 42 inches. But when I look down at number 26, it's talking about this clearance, and it talks about it in terms of feet. So I'm taking 42 inches and I'm converting it to feet. I know there's 12 inches in 1 foot. 42 divided by 12 is equivalent to 3.5. So I know that the minimum door clearance has to be greater than or equal to 35 to meet this requirement. How many of the elevator cars do not meet it? So I look at the list that's provided. I have 2 that are less than 3.5. The answer to number 26 is going to be G. Let's look at number 27. An elevator car with center doors has a door clearance width of 8% greater than the minimum. So I want to add 8% onto this 42-inch minimum. So when I do that, recognize that I'm taking what originally is there and I'm adding 8% more to it. So 108%. Now 108% as a decimal is 1.08. So I want to take 1.08 of 42. We're increasing that 42 by 8%. 42 times 1.08 gives us 45.36. It says which one of these is closest to that. The closest one is going to be option B. Let's look at number 28. Let me flip this paper over. Number 28 says a local college will construct a 2-floor building next year. Each of 5 classrooms on the first floor will have 20 seats. I'm going to write that down here. So we have 5 classrooms that have 20 seats in each classroom. And then it says that we have on the next floor, we have 8 classrooms with 35 seats. Okay, 8 classrooms with 35 seats. Now let's see what this question is asking. This question said, to comply to the 2010 ADA standards, what is the fewest total number of wheelchairs needed in the 13 classrooms? So I need to go back here and look at this table. 20-seat classroom says you need to have a minimum of 1. So in each of those 5 classrooms, I need to have at least 1 wheelchair space. Now, in the next 8 classrooms on the second floor, they all contain 35 seats, so I need to have 2. So in the next 8 classrooms, there needs to be a minimum of 2. 5 plus 16 says of those 13 classrooms, I need to have 21 wheelchair spaces available. Correct answer is K.